see her ramping. Look how she's... Look, Nene's just brought a mice into the house. And she's playing with it like it's a football. Look at her.
That's what they do, you know.
Nene, are you having a laugh? Look how she... Nene, it's not no football. Nene. Look at her. The poor thing's dead and she's knocking it about like it's a football. Oh my God. She's having a laugh. Oh my God, no, he's still alive. Oh my God. You didn't even kill it properly. Nene. You didn't even kill it properly.
They don't kill them.
No, you're having a laugh. What the hell? Look at it. Can you take it out, please? Can you shut up and stop telling me what to do? Nene, can you take it out, please? Look at the thing. Look at her. She thinks it's a football. It ain't no football, Nene. Kitchen Big Brother with Nene playing with a mice like it's a football. This is the first time I've ever seen her play with a mice like this. Look, oh. Can you just take... Oh my God, can you take it out, please, Nene?
Stop shouting at the poor thing.
She's playing with it like it's a football.
That's what they do, girl.
Can you shut up and stop telling me what they do? Obviously that's what they do because that's what she's doing, isn't it? Don't mean I want to see it. Oh my God. And she's just playing. Nene, you need to take this thing out. Anyhow, you box that down here to my foot, you know. Good, well done. She's gone out with it. Good girl. You stay outside now. You ain't coming in. Come on, give you some food. Come, Nene. Get some proper food. Leave it alone now. She just thinks she's playing with us bloody... She thinks it's some... Oh, look at her. Move! You're not coming in! Go away. You're not coming back in here. You mad? No! You're having a lot. Go away with it. You're not coming back in here with it. Bloody joker. Don't you want some proper food, Nene?